Yes. Good morning. You already know who this is, Mr. Yee. No limit hauling and junk removal, Solano County, that big 7. And today is the day that we are, off to go see our CPA and do our taxes. And, we're not scared, a little nervous, our first year in business. But, you're going to learn and you're going to, make it happen. And this is a nice experience. But, you're going to learn what you did wrong and what you did right and what you should do in the future. And, I'm doing this video to help out everybody out there. Hopefully, you're paying your taxes and playing by the rules and, handling your business such as we are. I recommend, if you're really deep into this business and you really care about this business and you want to be here for a while, get a CPA, a certified professional accountant. Get a CPA that helps you out with your books, financial advisor, tax guy, accountant, all of the above. They can help you out, and they can also, help you out with retirement. If you want to start a Roth IRA or a separate retirement, they can help you out in, so many ways. Of course, they cost a little bit, but it's worth it. Trust me. So, that's what we're doing today. We're taking a break from the business and, just knocking this out. And we hope this video helps everybody that, we suggest that you be MC Hammer, too legit to quit. And, you last longer and, learn all this in the beginning of your business. Because, it's so beneficial to learn all this in the beginning. Because if you, try to make up all this while you're already well established, you're going to pay the price. And, Uncle Sam wants his money, period. So, what we're learning and what we have learned, just write everything down. Invoice everything. Just invoice everything so you could bring everything to your accountant. Save all your receipts. Save everything that you charge with that card. Any kind of transactions. Save everything. Have a paper trail for everything. Because trust me, you're going to win at the end than trying to figure out and frustrate yourself and pull your hair out and try to figure out how much all this add up to. What about that? What about that? We forgot about that. And, especially when it comes to cash payments. Especially when, we get those good old cash payments. I don't know about you guys out there, but does cash payments help you or hurt you? Let me know. Put a comment on the bottom. Let me know, what do you think about cash payments? Does it help you or does it hurt you? But we're off to see the wizard. And, hopefully, we feel good at the end of this. I'm pretty sure we will. Because every time we leave this guy, we feel good. But now it's our first year in business with our business. And we got to go give all the paperwork and discuss a bunch of situations. But we'll get back at you, let you know how it went. And, I might do a video while I'm in the process. But we'll get back at you. Make sure you like and subscribe. And, leave a comment down below and let us know what you guys think. And I hope all of you guys out there are handling your business with your paperwork, with your finances. And, that's just it. We want to be too legit to quit. MC Hammer, we'll get back at you. You already know who this is, Mr. Yee. Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Hello. This is your boy, Mr. Yee. No limit hauling and junk removal in that big 707, Northern California, Solano County. But yes, we are back. We wrapped up our situation with our CPA. We did our taxes today. And, it was a good day. It's not a frustrating day. It's nothing like going to H&R Block. A lot of people can go to H&R Block and do their thing, but we don't do that, Being that my wife has her own career and I've started my own business, and, we still got to pay taxes. And, we got no problem paying taxes. We love paying taxes. That's just it. No problem. But you're going to learn a lot of things when you start your own business. You're going to learn so much when you start your own business. And a lot of us, may think that because we own our business and we own a business that, we could just write off everything. That's a write-off, that's a write-off, that's a write-off, that's a write-off, that's a write-off. But, you're going to get a reality check. Let me tell you that right now. You know what I mean? Let me tell you that right now. So, my suggestion, if you're starting your own business, get with the CPA. Get with a certified accountant. A certified professional accountant, a CPA, or, get with an accountant. Get with somebody who knows the law of IRS and only knows the law of IRS and only knows accounting and only knows how to do payroll and only knows the books and only knows financial advisor. Not someone like your friend or even coming on here to YouTube University and listening to somebody. Because, there's so much more than just filing a Schedule C. So let me tell you that right now. That's just it. Here at No Limit Hauling, we are not an LLC. We are a sole pro partnership, providership, whatever that is. You know what that is. So, it's hard for me to say that word because it's like saying Mississippi or even spelling Mississippi. But anyways, that's how I, file my taxes. I'll let you guys in on just like that. I'm not ready to go to a LLC yet because, as I've been advised, it's just not best for me right now, But anyways, I listen to my CPA because that's just what I do. You know what I mean? So, but we did our taxes today and, a lot of people, I suggest if you get a business credit card, make sure you separate yourself from your business to your personal, as in money wise and business accounts and personal accounts. If you're a guy out there or a girl out there and you're just putting everything on your personal account, which is fine, handle your business, no problem. That's just you. Or if you're a person, that just thinks that you could write off everything. I write this off, I write that off, I write this off, and I'll write that off. You can, but do you know the rules with that? Have you been writing your miles down? Have you been writing your personal miles? Have you been writing your business miles? Have you been keeping all your receipts? Have you been keeping all your receipts of maintenance? Have you been keeping all your receipts for, food? Your receipts for your uniforms? Your receipts for all those yard signs you bought? The receipts for all of that advertising you paid for? Just having receipts and receipts and receipts and receipts so you can always go back, to all these things. There's also QuickBooks. You can download the app QuickBooks and they'll count all your miles from your personal to while you're driving for work and using your a truck or trailer or whatever you use as business. So, you can download that Quick Easy Books. Me, I'm a type of guy who doesn't use Quick Easy Books. I just don't do it. I'm old school. You know what I mean? I'm very, very old school, like Fred Flintstones. You know what I'm talking about? And, I like to write everything down. I take my time, just like I edit these videos, and I put it in work for you guys. I like to write everything down so I can always get to it whenever I want. Because I hate looking through my phone and trying to download things and things are busy. They failed. You can't conversion. You can't download this or that, or you get QuickBooks. Then they want you to upgrade to it and pay for it and do all this and do all that. I don't do that. You know what I mean? I have a whiteboard. I write down all my jobs. I know about all my jobs. I'm not so tech savvy. Like a lot of you guys probably think I'm very, very tech savvy. But I learned everything. Everything you see me do, I've learned on YouTube University. But far as taxes, I don't want to learn that because I'm not a tax guy. You know what I mean? I'm a junk removing guy. You know what I mean? And that's just it. That's all I want to know. I don't want to know how to do my taxes or do this or do that or do this. I'd rather just pay my guy to do my taxes. You know what I mean? You can pay your CPA to really do your taxes and bring them all your receipts and bring them all your paperwork and bring them everything. But you got to have numbers. You got to have, how much money did you waste on gas? That's one thing of receipts. How much money did you waste on tools for your business? That's one thing for receipts. How much miles did you use for the business? That's one thing for receipts. How much maintenance did you do on your truck or trailer? That's one business receipt. And then all your other expenses. So, you can pay your guy to do that and pay him a little bit extra to do everything for you. That's what they do. This is what I do. Junk remove. That's what I do. So, a lot of us think that we're going to buy these trailers and buy these trucks and we're just going to write it off and boom, get that big old discount. Because if I wanted to, the big trailer and the truck, all that write off for 1 year, that's more than $20,000. You think the IRS is going to give you a $20,000 discount? Are you kidding me? Especially if you didn't write down your miles, and all kinds of shit. Depreciation. So you're going to learn these things. I suggest when you first start your business, keep all your receipts. Documentate everything. If you're using QuickBooks, if you're using your phone notes, if you're doing whatever you do, documentate everything. Keep all your receipts and keep everything ready. Because you're going to have to pay taxes one day. And, if you get audited, guess what they're going to do? They're going to say, let me see all your receipts. And if you don't have a business account, they're going to say, let me see everything into your personal checking account now. Not only that, but let me see everything into your business account now. Now they're going to get into both things. And if you deposited all that cash, they're going to be like, well, why don't you write down your cash? And you don't have no invoices for your cash, but you deposited $15,000 in one transaction. You're gonna pay taxes on that, and you're gonna get penalized. So a lot of people love cash. You learn a lot in this business. Every year you're gonna learn more and more and more and more. And my brain is like a sponge. I love learning, and I love learning more, even if it costs me. I don't worry about it. Because if I can learn these situations in the beginning and knock them out and be prepared for them every year, it's a blessing. It's just a blessing. And, that's what life's about, We did our taxes today, and, it's no problem. It's not even a struggle. It's not even a situation. You know what I mean? We're going to get things done. And, what I'm just trying to say is be prepared. Make sure you guys out there play by the rules. I'm trying to tell you, my best advice to you guys is play by the rules. Don't try to think you can outdo Uncle Sam or outdo the tax guy, because you ain't going to do it. You're a junk removal guy. You're a landscaping guy. You're a painter. You're this, you're that, you're this, you're that. You're not a CPA or a tax guy. You're not H&R Block. So, you can go do what you got to do. But me, you know what I mean? I own multiple things, as in properties, all kinds of things. Everything you see me in, I own. So, I gotta have receipts. I gotta have everything balanced. I gotta do everything, especially now that I walked away from my career and retired early. I definitely gotta be on my game more for this 2024 year about having everything written down, everything ready, and just everything. And, you got to learn. You're going to learn that you do those big purchases. How you going to write them off? Are you going to write them off all at one time? Or are you going to write them off every year for a certain amount of years? Or are you going to write them all off in 1 year and then get no write-offs for the next 7 years? See, these are the type of things you're going to learn when you own your own business and you're legit and you're paying taxes and, you got those logos, you got those truck decals, you got your shit all wrapped up. Everywhere you go, everybody sees you, everybody knows who you are. You're going to learn this, but it's going to cost you, because being legit, it's not easy. It's not easy playing by the rules. It's not easy playing by the rules. I'll tell you like that. Uncle Sam wants his cut first, but fuck that. I'm getting payout first. Then Uncle Sam could get his cut later. But that's what my tax guy helps me do. And, but my best suggestion, like I said, all my guys and girls out there, ladies and gent, cats, dogs, turtles and frogs, handle your business the right way, man. Keep an envelope of all your receipts and, take it from Mr. Yee Yee. Trust me, You don't want to be in trouble with the IRS, because it's just going to cost you more and more and more and more and more. And, you know, you're going to learn. You're going to learn, you know what I mean? What payment is best? What kind of payment do you like to take? What type of payment is best for you? Do you like just like, you know, card reader payments, Visa, MasterCard, checks? Do you only like those payments? Or do you like just all cash payments and having that big old stack of cash in the, you know what I mean, hidden somewhere that, you know, absolutely means nothing because you didn't write that down, do an invoice, or, you know, write it up as a job because you just said, that's cash, I ain't gotta worry about that. But that's the way you play your game. You know what I'm saying? I'm not telling you how to do your business or telling you what to do. All I'm telling you guys today is, you know, handle your business, write everything down, or get into your log, get it into your ledger, get it into all your situations, and have everything written down on a piece of paper or on your notes or on your computer, your laptop, whatever the hell it is. Have everything written down, documented, so you can, you know, handle your business. But I strongly suggest you go look out for a CPA in your local area, a certified professional accountant in your area to help you out, and get a relationship with him and see what he charges. If he charges, go to another CPA. There's so many of them. Trust me. There's so many of them. And, you know, they'll even help you get into a retirement situation. You know what I mean? You want to start a retirement? They'll help you with that too. They'll start that all up for you too. Everything. So, you know, just handle your business. You know, you can go 4 times a year to your CPA, to your accountant, and do your taxes, do your numbers. You know what I mean? You can go under LLC. You can go under, you know, DBA, doing business as, sole pro, you know the rest. You know, but my advice to you guys is just be too legit to quit. MC Hammer. You'll last longer, and, you know, trust me, it won't be as hard when you go see the tax man, because, you know, you have everything in paperwork, everything ready, and you know all your numbers from your losses, your profits, your gains, your gross, your net, you know, and you're going to know everything. So, you know, take it from me. Again, the situations I go through, I let you guys know, and I put you guys in my life, and, you know, help you guys see what's going on and what can help you out. So, you know, that's just me. There's so much more information I could talk about that I don't even know, because I'm not an accountant. I'm not a tax guy. I'm just a junk remover guy. That's just it. This is your boy, Mr. Yee Yee. It's Friday. I hope everybody has a good weekend out there. I hope everybody gets money out there this weekend. You know what I mean? Go get it. Let them know who you are. You know what I mean? That competition in your area, that's not competition. Trust me. You know what I mean? There is no competition. Everybody gets money. Everybody gets paid. Just some people are going to make more than others. Some people are going to get more jobs than others. And that's just it. You know what I mean? Handle your business. Stop giving those quotes over the phones. And, you know, stop that. Go in person and give those quotes, because you're only cheating yourself. I'm trying to tell you that, you know. But handle your business, and we'll get back at you. You already know who this is, Mr. Yee Yee.